You can see on the tag it's 50 do.
Load it up and do.
What? These are the last two. So move along. There's nothing to see here. Don't even look.
Don't touch it. Don't even look at it. Go on, get out.
Channel. My name is Andrea. If you're new here, and if you are, feel free to hit that subscribe button down below. And to my OG subscribers, thanks for tuning back in and welcome back to another video. Alright guys, so we all know lately I haven't been really feeling Homegoods. I have voiced it over and over again. But in my last video, I let you guys know that I was going home to visit some family and that they have 2 Homegoods locations that I was going to be going to, and they're usually pretty good. I know what I said before. I know I said I was, you know, over Homegoods pretty much, but I'm going to stick beside them. They didn't disappoint. I was only able to go to one because time got cut kind of short. I was trying to go to Homegoods, TJ Maxx, and Ross. TJ Maxx and Ross, nothing to see there. Actually, I take that back. Ross had a sculpture that I have in my own home. I showed my mom and let her know that I had it, and she scooped it on up. It was this cracked torso sculpture. It was only $60. I had never seen that in Ross, so you guys check it out. I have always seen that in Homegoods or like TJ Maxx. But off that, Homegoods was the most impressive of the 3 stores. This location was packed. I couldn't record the whole store because when I tell you everybody and their mama was in there, everybody and their mama was in there. Not to mention the inventory. It was crazy. Stuff was just packed everywhere. You could barely even walk, barely even push a buggy. I had to like maneuver so many different times. It was aggravating, but still, it was like actually very aggravating and made me kind of anxious because it was just like, where do I look? There's stuff everywhere. Like, however, I did find some really good pieces that I want to show you guys. I didn't record the whole store because, like I said, there were a lot of people in there and I don't want to make anybody feel uncomfortable. So I just picked the top picks of the store and I'm going to share them with you guys and give you some inspo. I'm not even going to hold you. We're going to hop right into the footage and I'm going to take it way back to my previous style in my older videos when we used to do the Homegoods hunting series. If you're new here, that's basically where I show you the pieces in the store, but I don't do the boring voiceover. I actually commentate in the corner, so it's very interactive, very fun. Let's hop right on in. Keep it locked. Okay, the first pieces that I saw were these gorgeous footstools. I actually purchased these and I will give you guys a better view of them, so make sure you stick around to the end of this video. These footstools actually remind me of the snoozer ottoman from Crate and Barrel. I think it's in the Crate and Kids section, but just so good. They have this like channel detail on them, boucle, so yummy, very much trendy right now. Next up we have this floor lamp that I saw. It was only $129.99. I honestly would have gotten it, but the light bulb situation wasn't my ministry. It looked very complicated and I didn't want to bother with it, but it was very, very pretty. It had a marble base and this like brass pole. It was so good. I actually searched for a lamp that was similar to this, so I went to Google, typed in marble base floor lamp, and I found this one from Burton Decor and was like $900. No ma'am.
You crazy as hell.
Very pretty, but I'm not paying $900 for a lamp. So $130 compared to that is a steal. These lamps look so bomb anywhere you put them. In a bedroom, living room, office, just you name it, you can just stick in there. It's very versatile. The next piece that jumped out at me was this yellow swivel chair. Someone had already purchased it, so I couldn't get a price. But I wanted to mention this because I have seen this shade in so many different spaces and it doesn't look crazy. It's like, if you finesse it right, it's the perfect touch to a room. Bring some brightness, some color, some edge. Just so good. Now next up we have this huge bookcase. It was very dusty and it didn't have a price tag, but I just thought it was so substantial, such a staple piece, and I could really see like 2 of these in an office situation would be really, really good. I could even see this in like a living room as well, so keep your eye out for this bookcase because it was huge. These next pieces were probably my second favorite in the whole trip. They were these mid-century modern Z-style chairs.
The yet unheard of Zorro snap in Z formation.
Y'all, just get into the structure and the shape of this chair. Only $250 and it actually looked really comfortable. I wasn't able to sit in them because as you can see there was stuff everywhere and I couldn't get to it without breaking my neck.
Oh, I'm hurt. Oh, my neck, my back, my neck and my back. Oh.
I love these chairs so much. They are so beautiful on their own. They don't even need like throw pillows or anything because they're so sculptural and just substantial. So you can just stick this on the side of your sofa where you want some extra seating and it'll just add such a nice touch, a nice element to your home. If I had the space for it, I would have gotten it, but I don't, so I didn't. This next chair was actually pretty interesting as well. The shape of it really got me. I have seen a lot of curved furniture lately. We all know this is very trendy this year, and I don't see it going anywhere anytime soon. The chair didn't have a price, so I don't know how much it was, but I just love how sculptural it looks. Oh, such a statement piece. If you have like a bold living room or a living space, or even if you have like an understated space, very minimal, and you want something to kind of spice it up a little bit, this would be the perfect piece. And then I saw this chair. It's coming up really, really gray on camera, but it was like this bluish gray kind of shade. It was just so, so good. It had these wooden legs. It was damaged on the bottom, but I think you can just snap that piece into the little slots on the legs. And I just love this piece. I love how curved the seat of the chair is. So, so different. They had this marble side table right here. It was only $60. A very, very good size, very good price. And then I saw these yummy, adorable counter stools. They were about 24 inches high, $99.99 a piece. And I think there was real leather on top. I'm not really sure, but I love these little round counter stools in like a minimal kitchen, like up under the island. Even if your kitchen isn't minimal, I feel like it'll fit every single style. So those are really good. Keep an eye out for those. Oh my gosh, this rocking chair was so dope. It was $250, which honestly isn't bad for what it is. I just love the way wood framed furniture looks, especially when it's against like a nice fabric, a nice neutral tone, and this was it. This took the cake. Like, how pretty would this be in a nursery? Oh my gosh, so cute. And then I came across this bench. I loved it because it was mixing a lot of different elements. So you have cool tones, warm tones, you have that natural element with the caning on the side. So I thought that was really, really pretty. It was only $200, and I found a similar one that was almost $900 online. Yeah, so that was a really good deal. But this would be such a good piece if you're trying to mix warm and cool tones in your space, which is something I'm trying to do here in my home. So keep your eye out for that one too. Now we're going to get into some more lamps. The selection was pretty decent. A lot of the lamps I saw had marble bases, which is like so bomb to me. I love marble, you guys know this. This floor lamp was $100 and it wasn't super tall, but I can see this like on the side of a bed instead of like a table lamp. If you want to do a floor lamp, this would be a really good size. I would say it was probably about 5 feet tall. And then I came across this weird like globe marble based lamp. It didn't have a price on it, so I don't really know how much it costs, but I thought that was kind of cute. I would probably put that like in an outdoor space or like a kid's room. Then they had these lamps here, which were $130, and they kind of look like pumpkins to me. I don't know, is it just me or do they look like pumpkins? I don't know. They were actually pretty cool. They had a white one and a black one. Then they had this one here that had a marble base with like this wood and brass neck. What do you call this part of the lamp? I don't know, but the mix of the different elements was a nice touch. This one was kind of pricey. It was $150. So, but it was still pretty. These task lamps I saw were everything. They weren't too big, weren't too small, and they were actually very reasonably priced. Both of these styles were like brass on the top, marble on the base. I love that. And I can see these in like an office, on bedside tables, just pretty much anywhere you need a little bit of lighting, but you don't want like a huge shade or anything taking up space. These are a good option. They also had these like glass globe lamps that had marble bases, and these to me give more of a glam and modern feel to a space. Next up, I saw this gorgeous stool. Honestly, I should have gotten it. I might go back or have my sister go back to get it for me. It was only $40.
$40.
And it really gave me like a wabi-sabi feel. These stools are really good if you want to stick them in like a bathroom so that, you know, like a towel, washcloth, maybe your phone or a tablet on the side of the tub. They're really good on the side of staircases, just anywhere you want like a little touch of some kind of decor, but you don't want something too big or that's gonna stand out too much. These are really good options. I gagged when I saw these dark gray round pillows because I have the cream ones like that, and it took everything in me not to get them. I honestly don't have anywhere to put them, but they're so good. These round pillows, they're like a Sherpa teddy material, really, really soft. They were only $16.99 a piece. The suggested retail price you can see on the tag is $52.
Load it up and do.
What? Oh my gosh, why am I stuttering so much today? The suggested retail price was $52 for each of these pillows. So $17 compared to that is a steal. Next up, I came across this very weird furniture piece. So it was like, it gave the feel of like a bookshelf or just shelves in general. The shelves were marble, and then it had this round mirror on the top. And it was only $100, which isn't bad. But I was thinking, where does this go? Like, where do you put something like this? You guys let me know. Would you put this like in a bedroom, like with maybe some linen or blankets or something on the shelves? I didn't really get the concept. I mean, it was in the bathroom section of the store, but I don't really know where someone would put that. So if you have any ideas, comment below because your girl needs to know. That rhyme. Comment below because your girl needs to know. Comment below because your girl needs to know. Hey, comment below because your girl needs to know. Comment below because your girl needs to know. I'm low-key a rapper, y'all. Alright, and then I came across these linen curtains by Dkny. They were only $60 and they were 108 inches high. Y'all, I have been obsessed with linen curtains. I actually have them in my bedroom. I'm debating putting them in my living room here behind me somewhere. I haven't really decided right now. I just have my IKEA curtains back there, but linen curtains really just bring like so much warmth into a room. I have been obsessed with Belgian modern design. Lately, I'm actually trying to transform my space to be, you know, less modern and more Belgian modern. So bringing in these warm tones, these more natural elements really help with that. And I had these in my cart, but I put them back. I honestly might end up getting them and putting them probably in my living room or my filming room. They were just so good. They looked so nice in any space, and they were blackout. So a lot of linen curtains are very like sheer, not very sheer, but you can see through them. But these were actually blackout curtains, so that's really nice. And of course, we found some pampas grass here in the corner. Only $10. They usually have these out during the fall season. So if you want some pampas grass, hit your Homegoods. Okay, that is it for the footage. I only bought one thing. Yes, one thing. You guys ready? Ready? Oh wait, y'all already know what it is. I already told you. And you already saw the thumbnail. Duh. But actually it's two things because I bought the pair. So these are the ottomans, you guys. $59.99 a piece. Let me give you a closer look of the material. So they are boucle, so gorgeous. They have the channeled detail. There is the company. I don't know if you guys can read that. That's the company name. And I felt so lucky to have found this. I don't even know how no one scooped them up because they were right in front of the store. And I didn't go like early in the morning. It was like 12, 1 o'clock. So I had these in my buggy and a lady was like, oh my gosh, where'd you find that? And I was like, I found them over there in the front. These are the last two. So move along. There's nothing to see here. Don't even look.
Don't touch it. Don't even look at it. Go on, get out. You heard me. Don't look at me either.
I always feel weird when people ask where I got something in the store and if there are more, because I feel like they're alluding to me giving them what I have. No, you can't have this. You can check another location and see if you can find it, but you can't have these. These are mine. But anyway, off that, I just love these pieces. Like I said, I got the pair. I'm not sure if I'm going to put them in my living room, in my bedroom, or my filming room. I'm going to play around with them. They're very sturdy. Like, it's very sturdy. I actually stood on these and it could hold me, but they're just so good. They have black legs on the bottom. I wish they only had 3 legs. That's my only complaint. I've been recently obsessed with 3-legged stools, but this is fine. You get some good contrast from the black on the legs and then the white creamy boucle fabric on top. Like I said, I just love them. I can't really say too much else about them. I love the channel detail. This is very much trendy right now. Milan Design Week featured a lot of pieces with this channel detail. So, you know, if you're into a trendy home, these are your go-to. But I actually feel like this is going to be timeless. This is going to be something I can use in the future. If I ever have kids, I can put them in a nursery. I can put them in a closet. You know, just very versatile. Very, very versatile. And just, oh my gosh, I love them so, so much. Okay guys, that is it for me today. Thank you so much for tuning in and spending some time with me. I hope you found some pieces that were inspiring. I hope you found some of these pieces in your local HomeGoods. Just don't give up. That's the key. I didn't give up and I found these footstools. So proof is in the pudding. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Hit that subscribe button and that notification bell if you haven't. Take care of yourselves, those around you, and your mental health. And I will see you guys. Try this again. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Hit that subscribe button and that notification bell if you haven't. Take care of yourselves, those around you, and your mental health. And I will see you guys in my next video. But until then, peace out.